Exercise 2b, question number 3rd. First part is the height of Mount Everest. The height of Mount Everest. Height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. Write it in standard form. We have to write it in standard form. So this is given, this is the height of Mount Everest, and we have to write this in standard form. We know standard form, that is of the form of m into 10 power n, where the value of m is greater or equal to 1 and less than 10, and n can be any positive or negative integer. So solution is the height of Mount Everest. The height of Mount Everest this is equal to 8848 meter. Now to convert this into m into 10 power n, we have to place, suppose this is 8848 means where is the decimal place? Decimal is here, nothing is there. We can write 8848 as 8848.0. So our decimal point is here. So we have to transfer this decimal from here to here. So we can write this as 8848. We are placing this decimal sign from here to here, 3 places left. So decimal will be here, means this will be multiplied by 1, then 000 will be there. If you multiply this, then again you will get 8848. Now 8.848, this we can write as, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So 10 power 3 meter. So this is in standard form. The value here m, this is m into 10 power n. So this is greater or equal to 1, greater than 1, and this whole quantity is less than 10. So our answer is 8.848 into 10 power 3 meter. Now I am taking third part of question number 3rd. This is the distance from Earth to the Sun is the distance from the Earth to the Sun. From the Earth to the Sun. This is given 1496, then zeros are there, 8 zeros are there, meter. We have to write this in standard form. So directly I am not writing here question, I am writing the solution. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is equal to 1496, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. 8 zeros are there. This is in meter. This is in meter. So we have to write this in standard form. Again we have to write this is given in meter. Distance from the earth to the sun is this much, and we have to write this in standard form. So this is equal to 1496. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros are there. So we can write it this as 10 power 8 meter. But further we have to convert this so that this should be less than 10 and greater or equal to 1. So what we have to do, 1496 is there, decimal point is here. So we have to move this decimal place 3 place to the left. 3 place to the left, then it will become 1.496 into, then 3 place we have moved left, so we will multiply it by 1000 into 10 power 8 is already there. Now this we can write as 1000 equal to 10 power 3. So 1.496 into 10 power 3, and this is 10 power 8 meter. Now here multiplication is there, so exponents will add. So this is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 3 plus 8. This is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 8 plus 3, that is 11 meter. So our answer, now we have converted this into m in form m into 10 power n. So this is the standard form. So our answer is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Now we are going to solve question number 5. Fifth question. Write each of the following numbers in standard form. We have to write each of the numbers in standard form. This is the question. I am taking the first part. First part is 0.0006 is there, and we have to convert this into standard form. So solution 0.0006, this is there, and we have to write this in standard form. So we will write here 0.0006. If you will remove this decimal sign here, then what we have to write? How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 places are there after decimal sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will, if you will remove this, then we will write 1, then 4 zeros. Because 4 places are there, so we have written 4 zeros. So now this is equal to, this is nothing, so only 6 is there. Upon this we can write as 10 power 4. 10 power 4. Now when it will go to numerator, then the sign will change. 10 power 4 is there, it will become 10 power minus 4. So 6 into 10 power minus 4. So the value of n can be positive integer or negative integer. Here it is negative integer. This value is correct. Greater or equal to 1, smaller than 10. So this is the standard form. So our answer is 6 into 10 power minus 4. Third part is there 0.0001 we have to write this in standard form. So we will write this one 0.7 zeros are there, 5, 3, 4. If you remove this decimal sign, then how many places are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 power 10 directly we will write 10 power 10. 7 zeros are there, 8, 9, 10. We have removed, then we will write 10 power 10 there. So what we have got? 534 upon 10 power 10. Now, if you write this one, then this becomes 5 power 534 into 10 power. This will become minus 10 if you go to numerator. So this is minus 10. But you can see here the value of n, this is not proper. It should be greater or equal to 1 and less than 10. But this is greater than 10. So we will write this as 5.34. 5.34 into 100. You will multiply, then you will get again 534 into 10 power minus 10 is there. Then we will write here, this is equal to 5.34. 5.34. This 100 we can write as 10 power 2. So into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 10. So we are getting 5.34 into 10 power 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10. Now 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 8. So we are getting 5.34 into 10 power minus 8. So our answer is 5.34 into 10 power minus 8. This is negative integer and this value is also correct. This is less than 10, greater or equal to greater than 1. Now we are going to solve fifth part. This is 0.5 zeros are there. Then 165 is there. 165 is there. So again we have to write this in standard form. So this is equal to, we will write this, then this is equal to, we will write we will remove this decimal sign. Then how many places are there after decimal sign? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 power 8 will come at the denominator. Now what we have got? 165 upon 10 power 8 is there. Then it will go to numerator, it will become 10 power minus 8. But this is greater than 10. So again we have to convert this. So 1.65 we can write this into 100. 165 is equal to 1.65 into 100. And this is 10 power minus 8 is there. We can write this as 1.65 into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 8. Now this is equal to 1.65 into 10 power 2, 10 power minus 8. So 10 power 2 minus 8 is there. So 1.65 into 10 power minus 6. This is the standard form. This is also correct. So this is our answer in standard form, 1.65 into 10 power minus 6. Next question is question number 6. First part I am taking 1 micron. 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 1, then 6 zeros are there. This is in meter. This is in meter. So we have to convert this into standard form here. So solution 1 micron. This is equal to 1 upon this you will write meter. Then we can write this as 1 upon how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. So this can be written as 6 zeros are there. So this we can write 10 power 6. This is again meter. Now when it will go to numerator, then power will change. This is positive, it will become negative. So this is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Now the value of m is here. It should be greater or equal to 1. This is not greater, but this is equal to 1 itself. So this is our correct standard form. So this is the answer, 1 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Third part is thickness of a paper. Thickness of a paper. This is given equal to 0.03 millimeter. We have to express this in standard form. We have to write this in, express this in standard form. Now we will solve this and express this in standard form. So thickness, again write the question, thickness of a paper, that is equal to 0.03 millimeter. This is the thickness given. Now this we will write 0.03. Now first we will remove this decimal sign from here. Decimal sign from here we will remove. Then how many zeros will be there? 1, then double zero. That is 100 will come at the denominator. Now this we can write as 3. 2 zeros, no value here before 3. So only 3. And 100 we can write as 10 power 2. And this is equal to, when it will go to numerator, this is millimeter, it will go to numerator, then this value will become -2. So here it is correct, check it. This is greater than 1 and less than 10. So this is correct. So our answer is Now we have to write following numbers in usual form. We have to write in usual form. We have to write in usual form. Our first question is 2.06. First part, 2.06 into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 is there. Clear? So what we will do for it? We have to, this is given in standard form and we have to convert this into usual form. So 2.06 into 10 power minus 5 is given. So if you remove this decimal sign here, 2.06 into 10 power minus 5, we are removing this decimal sign, then 100 will come at the denominator. So 206 100 we can write as 10 power 2. 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 5 is there. Then this will go to numerator, then power will change, it will become plus 2 to minus 2. So 206 into 10 power minus 5 is there. This is 10 power minus 2 is there. Now 206 into laws of exponents are applicable here. Minus 5 minus 2. So we are getting 206 into 10 power minus 7. Now we have to write this in usual form. So here it is 0. 206 is there, decimal sign is here. 206, after 6 decimal sign is there and 10 power minus 7 is there. So we have to shift decimal sign from here to 7 places before. So I am writing 206 here. Now I will start counting 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then decimal sign will come here. Then write this as this. So this is our answer in usual form. Answer 0 point. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. 4 zeros, then 206. If digits are not there, then place as many zeros required. So 3 digits were there and total 7 places we have to place decimal sign before. So I have placed 4 zeros. 3 digits are there earlier and now 4 zeros are there. So this is in usual form. Next part, that is third part I am doing here. Third part, 6.82 into 10 power minus 6 is there. Minus 6. So we have to write this in standard, this is given in standard form and we have to write in usual form. So solution 6.82 into 10 power minus 6 is there. This is the question given here. Now we will remove this decimal sign. Then how many zeros will come here? 2 zeros, 1 is there. So 100 will come here if you remove the decimal sign here. Now this we can write as 682 upon 100 we can write as 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 6. Now again this will go to numerator, then sign will change here. 682 into 10 power minus 6 is there, and this 10 power plus 2 are there, it will become minus 2 when it will go to numerator. Then 682 into 10 power minus 6 is there and minus 2 is there. What you are getting? 682 into 10 power minus 6 minus 2. They will add together, sign will remain negative. So minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8. Still, this is not in usual form. So as we have done earlier there, we will write here first 682 and 10 power minus 8 is there. When negative sign is there, then decimal will move from here to left side. So 682 we will write here 682. Now 3 digits are there. We will start counting 8 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then decimal sign will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then decimal sign will be there, then 0 place here. Why we have done 8 places? Because minus 8 was there. So we moved 8 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then. So this is our answer. 0.5 zeros are there. Then 6, 8, 2. So this is the usual form. Now we are taking fifth part. The question is 1.8 into 10 power minus 2 is there. 10 power minus 2 is there, and we have to write this in usual form. This is in standard form in the question, and we have to convert this into usual form. So solution, write the question we have written. Now again what we will do? We will remove this decimal sign. Then 1 place is there after decimal, so 10 will come here. So that is 18 upon 10 means 10 power 1. Nothing is there, so 10 power 1. 10 power minus 2. It will go to numerator, then it will become minus 18 into 10 power minus 2 is there. This will go here. Then 10 power minus 1 is there. Now again laws of exponent apply here. 10 power minus 2 minus 1. So we are getting 18 into 10 power minus 3. Then what we will do? We will write 18 here. Because negative sign is there, so we will move left. When positive exponent is there, we will move right. When negative exponent is there, we will move left. Decimal is here. Nothing is there. It means 18.0. So decimal sign is here. We will move 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So this is our answer, 0.018. This is in usual form we have got.